everybody, welcome back to the ACP Culinary Center. I'm Chef Monk, and today we're going to be talking about the AXP programming software. To find this programming software, just go on the ACP website, which is at acpsolutions.com. It'll be located on the AXP product page. It's titled AXP Programming Software. So once you get it downloaded from our website, on your screen it'll appear as ACP Remote Programming Interface. So you click on the interface, it'll pop up, and what you'll first want to do is select a new program. So go to New, select the oven, AXP22. Then this is the menu that will appear. So as it appears right now, it's in 3 levels. It has a top level, a mid level, and then the recipes. So you just click on the arrow and it'll drop down from there. So first what you'll want to do is name your top level. So we'll name the top level pizza. And then you'll go to the second level, name that level single topping. And then you're going to want to label the actual recipe, so we'll call the actual recipe cheese. So what we're doing is we're programming a setting for a single topping cheese pizza. So to begin programming the actual recipe, first you want to pick a temperature for the oven. So you can use the actual buttons, which go up in temperature all the way up to the maximum 520. So we'll leave it at 520, then you go ahead and pick your time. So you can do your time for 2 minutes. Again, you can use the arrows going up or down, or you can actually highlight the time and enter a time. So we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and the total time is displayed at the very top. So the oven, the recipe is laid out in microwave, fan, and radiant, just like on your oven. So you pick a percentage of microwave, so you want 50%. The amount of fan, we'll say 30%, and the amount of IR, we'll leave it 100%. And you can go ahead and do this all the way down through all 4 stages, and they'll appear right on the screen, and it'll give you a total time of all the stages. So next you'll want to go ahead and take a look at your user options. So down at the bottom of the screen there's a menu items and user options. So first, click on user options, and this has all the options that are inside the oven. Now if you just hover over the option, it'll appear, a box will appear and say what is actually there for that option. So for our menu, we're in 3 level. For the cook, manual cook, we're allowing manual cook. And then again, just go through all the options and make sure whichever options you want are highlighted to your preferred setting. And you can also change the preheat of the oven from, again, 200 up to 520 degrees. So once you like everything that's in the oven, right to the menu, and then we'll go ahead and save this. You hit save, save as, give it a name. We'll just call it pizza menu. And we'll save that on our desktop. So now this setting will be saved on your desktop to be used at a later date. Now that the setting is saved on your desktop, you'll want to put it in your flash drive so we can save it to the flash drive and take it to the oven. So you take the flash drive, put it into the computer, and we go back to the software. It's recognized that it's in the computer now. Go back to the software, hit process, AXP20, pick the item you want to process, our pizza menu. Then you pick what you want to put it on, obviously the removable disc, highlight that, hit OK, it'll process, it'll say OK, and now it's saved onto your flash drive. So we just exit out of this, grab your flash drive, go over to download it into your oven. Alright, now that you have your settings saved on the flash drive, you're going to want to put the settings into the oven. So you take the flash drive, there's a slot in the bottom where it goes, you slide it into the slot, and you'll have to go into user options. So you press and hold number 2, and that will take you to the options. You can just hit back and it'll take you to the last option, option 17, and then highlight whatever you want to do, from the card to the oven, or from the oven from the card. Now we want to take our settings from the card, put it in the oven, so we highlight that, hit the book, it'll say transferring, so the data is transferring onto the oven. And when it's done transferring, done will display. So it's done, it's displayed. You hit the green button, save everything. Then we can hit the red button, take us out. So now if we go back and look at our settings, we just hit the book. We'll view our settings. So the pizza we programmed is in the oven. Single topping is in the oven, and the cheese pizza is also in the oven. And our settings that we saved earlier are now in the oven. So there you go. That's just a quick overview of the AXP programming. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact us at the Culinary Center. I'm Chef Will Monk. Thanks for stopping by the Culinary Center.